Good morning, children. Today you'll be having a new lesson, that is Unit 2. Every drop counts. Every drop counts. Take out your textbooks, everyone. That is in page number 18. Okay. See this lesson. I'm going to teach you this lesson. Abid Surti, 5th May 1935, it is happened on 5th May, is a well-known author, painter, cartoonist, playwright, journalist and environmentalist. See here you have many words. Author. Author means जो लिखते, जो books लिखते, poems लिखते, उन लोगों को author बोलते. Painter, painting करने वाला. Cartoonist, कार्टून्स डालते ना, डोरेमोन, लाइक यहाँ पे देखो छोटा भीम, कार्टून्स डालते ना, ही इज कार्टूनिस्ट. प्लेराइट, प्लेराइट मतलब ड्रामा लिखने वाला, ड्रामा स्टोरी मूवीज के स्टोरीज लिखने वाले को प्लेराइट. जर्नलिस्ट, जर्नलिस्ट कौन है मालूम? हमको जो न्यूज बोलते ना, टीवी में न्यूज बोलते ना, न्यूज रीडर्स, उन लोगों को जो न्यूज लाके देते ना, అందరికి న్యూస్ అక్కడ ఇది జరిగింది ఇక్కడ అది జరిగిందని మనం న్యూస్ పేపర్ లో వస్తుందా, ఆ న్యూస్ చెప్పే వాళ్ళని జర్నలిస్ట్ అంటారు. అండ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటలిస్ట్, ఎన్విరాన్మెంటలిస్ట్ मतलब మీకు హ్యావ్ యూ సీన్ దట్ మూవీ జనతా గ్యారేజ్ చూసారా? మూవీ చూసారా? అందులో హీరో ఏం చేస్తారు? చెట్లు నరకొద్దు, మొక్కలు పెంచండి, ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ లో పొల్యూషన్ తగ్గించండి बोलते ना. जो एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में, नेचर के बारे में सोच के पूरा भलाई करते, दे आर एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट. ओके. ही हैज रिसीव्ड अ नेशनल अवार्ड फॉर तीसरी आंख, a collection of short stories. He runs an NGO called Drop Dead Foundation. Who is he? He is Abid Surti. He got a national award for a story. उसने एक स्टोरी लिखा, मैं बोले ना, he is a playwright. Playwright. He is an author. स्टोरीज लिखने वाला. He runs an NGO called Drop Dead Foundation, which strives to save water by the humblest of means, repairing leaking taps. Abid Surti lives and works in Mumbai. So here is a story. Ravi walked down the stairs to his friend's house on the second floor for a 4-story building. It was Saturday. There had been lot of buzz about an NGO Drop Dead Foundation. So buzz मतलब बहुत सारा noise, शोर, सब उसी के बारे में बात करें. अंदरू a Drop Dead Foundation गुरिंचे माట్లాడుకుంటున్నారు. The slogan was accompanied by an image of a huge drop of water. देखिए ये slogan, save every drop or drop dead, ये है slogan. Ravi could make out from the poster that it had something to do with water conservation. But what exactly were these posters doing here? At school, they had been taught about the importance of water for the sustenance of life on earth. The steady depletion of water resources is very serious. So, what these wanted to do, they wanted to go to schools and वहाँ पे बोलते ड्रॉप्स वाटर को सेव करो, सेव वाटर. अगर वाटर खत्म हो गया अर्थ पे, नो वन विल हैव वाटर. सेव ईच एंड एवरी ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर, डोंट वेस्ट वाटर बोल के स्कूल्स को जाके बोलते. The steady depletion of water resources is a very serious threat that the world is posed with. If we do not do anything to conserve water, not a drop would be left on the earth. अगर हम वाटर को सेव नहीं करें, कंजर्व करना मतलब सेव करना, स्टोर करना. अगर हम वाटर को सेव नहीं करें, there will not be a drop of water left on the earth. People, animal and trees all would perish without water. So we must do our best to save water on every occasion. On every occasion. देखो अगर हम घर पे कुछ occasion करते, बर्तन धोते, चावल धोते, वेजिटेबल्स धोते, पीते, पानी वेस्ट करते, पीने के पानी से हाथ धोते, yes or not? We'll waste a lot of water. So instead of doing that, we should save water. Ravi had heard Mr. Manohar say that in class while taking a lesson on water conservation. Water conservation मतलब उसको सेव करना, स्टोर करना. The textbooks that he had read focused more on need for conservation of water and on the ways to conserve it, how to conserve it, how to save it. The common idea that he and his friends had about water conservation was related to water pollution. The main idea क्या है? Water pollution. हम water को pollute नहीं करना. पोल्यूट मतलब उसमें कचरा डालना, वॉशरूम करना, धोना, कपड़े धोना, ऐसा हम वाटर को पोल्यूट कर दिए तो वो वाटर क्या पीने के लिए काम में आता? नो, తాగడానికి కూడా వాటర్ పనికిరావు. The sources of water get contaminated by excess pollution. Yes, excess pollution. The images of water pollution, the dumping of sewage in water by big factories and households was the main reason. अभी बोले ना, dumping of sewage, waste. अब फैक्ट्रीज में क्या करते, पूरा एक प्रोडक्ट तैयार करते, एक चीज तैयार करते, एक सामान तैयार करते, और वो तैयार करने के लिए जितना भी जो भी यूज करे वो वेस्ट पूरा उन लोगों को నదియో మే రివర్స్ లోకి వదిలేస్తారు. అవునా, చెరువుల్లోకి నదుల్లోకి వదిలేస్తారు. అప్పుడు అందులో ఏమైతుంది, మనకి ఇలా నురగలాగా వస్తుంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్? सी लास्ट वीक वी हैड रेन इन अवर हैदराबाद. सब मूसी नदी देखने गए. वो तो एक रिवर है, मूसी रिवर. रिवर का पानी कितना क्लीन रहना, అవునా? नदी वाटर क्लीन గా ఉండాలి, रिवर का पानी क्लीन रहना. बट व्हाट डिड वी ऑब्जर्व इन मूसी रिवर? All that dust, very dirty water. Yes or not? Very dirty water. Why? Because the word water is been decomposed. उसको सीवेज वाटर, वो वाटर को पूरा कंटामिनेटेड वाटर इट इज, पूरा डर्टी वाटर. He did none of that, so he was not responsible for depletion of water. He also remembered from the textbooks that wasting water also lead to water depletion. Depletion means decreasing, कम हो जाना. Yes, wasting of water is also one of the reason for water wasting. So he never left the tap running in the house, or nor did he use excess water for bathing and cleaning up. अगर कहीं पे पानी नल टूट गया, नल जा रहा, तो उसको अच्छे से टाइट से बंद करना. वी शुड नॉट लेट द वाटर गो अवे. वाटर को वेस्ट नहीं होने देना. बहुत सारे जने నల్ आता शाम में, yes, సాయంత్రం నల్లు వస్తుంది, నీళ్లు పట్టాలి. నీళ్లు పట్టి ఏం చేస్తారు, ఆ నల్లు అట్లానే వదిలేస్తారు, రోడ్ల మీద పోతూనే ఉంటాయి నీళ్లు. yes or not? We should not do like that. We should save the water. He was particularly proud of the fact that he always refused to bath twice a day, even when his mother forced him to do. So he, अगर हम bathing भी करने गए, we should not waste the water. We should use a limit water. Shower open करना, उसमें नहाते जाना. You should not do like that. You should take a bucket of water and you should bath in that only. Well, I am doing a bit to save water, but maybe others are not. That is why we have such shortage of water here in Mumbai. He would often think. हम movies में देखते रहते, घड़े लेके लोग दूर दूर से पानी लेके आते रहते. Why? Because there is no water. All nowadays all are purchasing water. Yes, पानी मोल के पी रहे, खरीद के पी रहे. Why? Because we are not conserving water. Water is getting decreased, depletion. So this organization must be coming to our society to tell us about what ways in we can save water. He told his friend Mani. The two boys talked cheerily. So what did he tell? To close the taps and water only use when you require. So what this NGO मतलब उन लोग हर जगह जाते और उन लोग जिसके लिए काम कर रहे हैं, ये लोग किसके लिए काम कर रहे हैं, वाटर सेव करने के लिए. They'll go to everywhere and they'll tell the people how to save the water. And अगर छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं उन लोग को समझाते, look children, तुम लोग ऐसा करें तो I'll give you chocolate or I'll give you some prize. ऐसा बोल के उन लोगों को they will motivate the people. for saving water. So that is what. This is what is the lesson. We should not waste water. We should conserve water by using less water in the occasions and everything. Okay. Now I'll give you the hard words of this lesson. Children, you please take out your classworks and put a lesson heading, new lesson heading, write down the date. I'm going to give you hard words today. Write down lesson heading, date and first bit hard words. Author, painter, cartoonist, journalist, conservation, depletion, sewage, pollution, reporters, plumber. Okay, these are the hard ones. Author, A-U-T-H-O-R, author. Painter, P-A-I-N-T-E-R, painter. Cartoonist, C-A-R-T-O-O-N-I-S-T, cartoonist. Journalist, Journalist, journalist. Conservation, Conservation, conservation. Depletion, Depletion, depletion. Sewage, Sewage, sewage. Pollution, Pollution, pollution. Reporters, Reporters, reporters. Plumbers, Plumber, plumber. Okay, these are the 10 hard words. You write one time in your classwork. Leave a line and write very neatly, and these hard words you write for a second time as homework. Put HW on the other side and write one time in classwork and one time in homework. Hard words. Okay? Okay children, first bit hard words are finished. Now write down the second bit. Meanings. Perish. Destroy. Contaminated. Polluted. Appreciative. To be quiet. Sustenance. Survive. Okay? These are the 5 meanings. First bit, hard words. You have to write the hard words 2 times side by side. And second bit, write in another new page. Put on date. Second bit heading and write these 5 meanings. Okay? Okay, children. That's all for today's class. And children, listen. You have to purchase books from the school. Because from now onwards, we'll be giving you exercises from the textbook itself. Whatever the exercises are given here, and we'll be showing this, you have to do it in the textbook. We will give you the page numbers. We will explain on the board, we will give you the page numbers. You have to do your exercises in the textbook. So, all of you should purchase your books. And also the class work. Whatever we give you, the notes from each and every lesson should be in your English. English work will be in English class work, Telugu in Telugu class work, maths in maths class work. Understood? So you have to compulsorily purchase the books. Thank you, children.